How's it looking now, Jamie?
I'm really struggling to get to it.
Okay, so have a look. Okay. So we still just basically have that high there, don't we?
Yeah, it's like high in the middle bit.
Yeah, so we've just got this little bit of a high here.
Yeah.
Okay, so we need to kind of focus on getting that down. That's now going to then help us go back to our original position to then take it out.
Yeah.
So let's come in. Okay, so if we look at that now, the high spot's gone quite nicely.
Yeah.
But we now have a dent that runs this way, don't we? Yeah. Okay, so what we need to be looking at is how can we now gain access from this direction? And not every vehicle is going to allow you to do this, but if we actually open the door, we can actually see there's a gap.
Oh, okay.
So we may be able to put our tool just down there. We have to be cautious about obviously scratching the paint, so if you look how it catches up on the door,
Yeah.
if we're coming through this way, we have to be very, very cautious. We are not damaging the paint here. Okay, so again, if this was real world, would put cloth over there, tape it down just to protect it. So we now pop that tool through. It's a bit tight. Yeah, so that may not be our best tool. So all we have to do then is look at a thinner tool that can now slide down but have the same kind of shape, because that went in okay, it got on the dent okay, but it's very, very tight. So it's not easy to use. So have a look in your toolkit now. Look at that shape of tool, see if there's anything else that simulates that, but thinner, and then try going through that way. Okay. All right. Perfect. So thank you. I'll come back in a minute, so how you're getting on. How are we doing now, Adam? Okay, let's have a quick look what we've got in there then. Okay, not too bad, not too bad. Yeah, we've just got a couple of little bits of high around here. Yeah. Just requires a bit of smoothing out. Yeah. And then just think to be really cautious of when you're putting your tool down that gap, that it doesn't snag here. See, we've got a high spot here. Yeah. It's probably where the tool's gone in, and you've levered it and it's just caught the outer skin. So just be cautious.